Sam and Ben, Lesson 2. Feelings. How are you today? Hello.
Hello.
What's your name? I'm Spike. What's your name? I'm Little Frog. I'm Mr. Frog. Now it's your turn. What's your name? Well done! Now today's lesson. How are you today? Happy. I'm happy. How are you today? Angry. I'm angry. How are you today? I'm hungry. Yum, 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 yum. How are you today? Tired. I'm tired. How are you today?
I'm so cool.
How are you today? I'm funny. How are you today? I'm sad. I'm sad. Now it's your turn. How are you today? Tired. I'm tired. Hungry. I'm hungry. Happy. I'm happy. I'm funny. Angry. I'm angry. Sad. I'm sad. Well done. Woo! That's all for today. Goodbye, dragon. Goodbye, Ben. Goodbye, Mr. Clown. Goodbye, Swamp Monster. See you tomorrow. You You have been watching Sam and Ben, Lesson 2. Now watch Lesson 3. How old are you?